Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Coded to Sarthak. In this channel we discuss about tech, career, product and life. So in this special series of podcast we have a very special video with software engineer at Twitter, Iti. She will be explaining all about her life experiences, her journey, how she came into software development and how was she able to crack Twitter. We have been using Twitter daily and we have been hearing a lot of information there. And recently, all of you guys know that the new CEO of Twitter is also from India. So we are seeing that there is a tremendous development of Twitter at India, and there are a couple of openings here and there. So we will deep dive into how what was the strategy followed by ET, how did she practice, and how she was able to crack Twitter. So stay tuned till the end of this video. And before starting with the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and watch the end of this video to get to know more about her journey. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Hello everyone. Today we have a very special guest with us, Iti. She is working as a software engineer at Twitter. We have been using Twitter for a lot now, and one of the favorite social media platform in my it is been the app that has been using for daily. I open it like couple of times, several times in a day, just to get my feeds updated, just to get to know other people. And there are constantly new innovations every day at Twitter. So we will be learning a lot about how you can move forward at Twitter, what's the work life there, and what's the life journey of Iti here. So she has also worked at Morgan Stanley before, and we will deep and dive into her life journey right now. So thank you so much, Iti, for joining us for this podcast and taking out time for us. And um, I hope that this podcast serves well for the audience as well. So thank you so much for coming here. Can you share a little bit about yourself and do you want to move ahead with that?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me here. So I started my journey with Morgan Stanley. So there I joined as in technology analyst. After that, I always wanted to be in a product-based company because that's something, because you are not the cost center, you are building something which is actually generating the revenue for the company. So I
Mhm.
always wanted to be in the front line. So that's when got me thinking, let's explore more options and let's switch. So, and at that point of time, Twitter came into the scene. One of the recruiter approached me, and I was more than happy because it was like one of the dream company. So
Correct.
I applied for it, and here I am, finally software engineer at Twitter. It's like a dream come true.
Yeah, wonderful story.
Yeah.
I think there are very few instances where the recruiter reaches out to you instead you are applying directly for the job. So I think in
So
that sense,
actually, there is a story behind what happened was I uh, applied for a referral. There was one job application which I saw on their portal, but
hmm
the day I applied, it actually got off the board because of maybe they hired everybody for whatever reason. But
hmm
after a few days, maybe my stars were working. Jackie was the like recruiter. She reached out to me like there is another role. Do you want to apply for it? And I was like, yeah, why not? I always want
yeah, right,
to be there.
exactly.
So yeah, that
काफी सही.
happened.
Correct. I think yeah, this is one of the times when you are so lucky that you get to know and get that opportunity uh, that is for you. So nice. Moving forward, what would be that turning point in your life that moved you towards software development or coding in general? What was that moment that you realized that coding is that line that I want to move ahead with?
It's actually a strange story, I would say. So I
Mhm.
was in my second year. I was completing my fourth semester, and everybody in my college were deciding like, will they apply for like GET exams, or will they apply for GATE exams? And everybody was thinking like, okay, let's join GATE coachings or let's join GATE coachings. And I was like,
Mhm.
I don't know which way to go because I was
Mhm.
like 50% there, 50% there. And I was like, okay, let's give coding a shot. Maybe I can work for it and it might
Mhm.
work for me as well. So that's when I actually joined Coding Blocks and I started coding. And
Mhm.
there I realized that it's not something like rote learning. You just have to implement your approach. You
Correct.
you just have to see various problems. You just have to demystify the question, and then there you are solving small problems and then bigger problems and then sometimes like a lower version of real life problems. So I was
Right.
like, okay, it's like very fascinating to me. And
Correct.
then from there, I like started diving deep into this section. I started doing questions on lead code, and it
Mhm.
actually fascinated me a lot. And I was like really up for it. Like there are coding contests in on lead codes, like on Sunday, and every Sunday morning I'm up, and I tell you I'm not a morning person, but for that thing I was up every Sunday. So I was like, okay, why not? Go for it. And then from there I got the chance to be a TA and then to be a mentor, and
Mhm.
the journey continued. And then Morgan Stanley happened, and then I think there is no going back after that.
Correct.
So
So yeah, crazy story right there. Ki you moved into coding by accident, I would say, and then realized कि अरे ये तो अच्छा लगने लगा है. काफी मजा आ रहा है करते
हाँ
करते.
एग्जैक्टली रॉट लर्निंग नहीं करनी पड़ रही है और मुझे इतना प्रेशर नहीं है कि ये रैंक लेके आने बिकॉज आई वाज डन विद जेई एग्जाम्स एंड इट वाज लाइक कि शिट फिर से सेम कंपटीशन सेम सेट ऑफ पीपल सो मेनी ब्रेन्स एंड स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर अब कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा आई रियली डिडंट वांट टू डू दैट
डन विद
आई
ऑल
वाज
दैट कि
लाइक
नहीं मुझे फिर से एंट्रेंस नहीं देने फिर से कॉलेज सर्चिंग नहीं करनी. करेक्ट. राइट. आई थिंक नाइस स्टोरी क्योंकि यहाँ पे दिस इज द केस विद a lot of people as well कि fed up with all the education. ठीक है, इंजीनियरिंग वाज द बेस्ट कि यहाँ तक हो गया. ठीक है, इसके बाद और पढ़ाई तो करने का मन नहीं. एंड apparently that worked out very well for you क्योंकि कोडिंग करते करते इतना मजा आने लगा कि that you started teaching coding. So that's also a next level thing, right? मुझे तो काफी कठिन
एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज इनफैक्ट आफ्टर दैट मैंने इतने स्टूडेंट्स और अपने ए सेम एज ग्रुप के स्टूडेंट और लोगों से इंटरेक्ट किया जितना मैंने कभी अपने कॉलेज में इंटरेक्ट नहीं किया था. आई नो मोर पीपल आउटसाइड माई कॉलेज देन इन माई कॉलेज
राइट.
एंड उनसे डिस्कशंस करना एंड इनफैक्ट वी आर फ्रेंड्स स्टिल नाउ. सो इट्स लाइक कि एकदम से ही इतना बड़ा सर्कल हो जाता है. यू जस्ट गेट टू मीट एवरीबडी एंड सब बहुत डिफरेंटली वर्क कर रहे होते हैं. कुछ कुछ तो इतने टेम्पटिंग प्रोजेक्ट पे वर्क कर रहे होते हैं एंड यू आर लाइक ओ माय गॉड इस एज में तो इतना सोच लेते हैं क्या. मैं इतना पीछे हूँ क्या. एंड इट्स अमेजिंग आई वुड से.
हाँ, राइट. तो आई थिंक मेंटरशिप इज फिनोमिनल जॉब एज पर से बिकॉज आप काफी लोगों से डेली बेसिस पे इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हो एंड देन यू एक्सप्लोर इनटू दैट पार्ट. अ लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग हैज बीन देयर. आप खुद एक्सपर्ट बन जाते हो क्योंकि आपको पढ़ाना भी है सामने वाले को. एंड आई थिंक बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि आपकी नेटवर्किंग बहुत नेक्स्ट लेवल पे आती है. आप यू हैव अ वेरी वेरी गुड फॉलोअर बेस और स्टूडेंट बेस आउट देयर एंड दे आर डूइंग वंडर्स एंड यू गेट हैप्पी आफ्टर इट. इट्स लाइक कि आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रखा है और आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट अच्छे रिटर्न्स दे रहे हैं वैसे वाली फील आती रहती है लॉन्ग टर्म.
Exactly. And sometimes it's just so overwhelming because there are juniors who just walk up to you and say, Ki, Di meri internship again, it was because of your guidance. And I'm like, oh my God, it's so amazing. Ki,
Right.
तुम इतना ही thankful हो और इतना ही grateful हो and it's so amazing.
राइट. मतलब वो मैसेजेस लाइक दे लिटरली मेड माय डे व्हेन दे अपीयर ऑन लाइक आपके वीडियोस से आपकी गाइडेंस से बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा. आई थिंक दैट्स द केस विद एवरीवन. दैट्स द मोटिवेशन फॉर एवरी कंटेंट क्रिएटर आउट देयर. दैट्स मोटिवेशन फॉर एवरी मेंटर आउट देयर कि कीप ऑन डूइंग इट बिकॉज़ यू आर ब्रिंगिंग अ चेंज इन एवरीबॉडीज लाइफ. काफी अच्छा लगता है वो मैसेजेस पढ़ के. राइट.
Yeah, because I remember when I was preparing, maybe same content को ही approach करती थी. Like if there are people in the company I'm applying for, if I could find any videos on the internet or how they applied for it and how they go for it. So I think it's amazing actually. वो पूरा day ही बन जाता है उस
करेक्ट.
चीज पे.
ओके. Yeah, towards the next question. So like Twitter is the big name. काफी excitement, काफी अच्छी. So how was your process with Twitter? Like I know that you got a call from recruiter, but उसके बाद next steps क्या थे? There were how many coding round were there? Like how many face-to-face interviews? What was the process like?
Yeah, so because of this COVID, everything happened at home. There were no off-site jumps. So first was one online coding round, basically where they tested my coding skills, and they actually provided me one design problem which I had to like implement it and give it to them. And then uh, it was like first online round, and then there were three coding not exactly coding rounds. There were mix of it. Like two were coding round, and one was like behavioral manager round, where they discussed my projects and my past experiences. How would I approach to a problem? Basically, problem solving and all of it. And
Mm-hmm.
the two rounds were typically DSL Go based, where they judge my
Okay.
algorithms, my code modularity,
Mm-hmm.
the way I write code,
Okay.
the way I approach a problem, everything. So two
Mm-hmm.
were that, and one was managerial. So that was
Okay.
the concept. And before that, I had one online coding round where they gave me one problem and I had to submit the solution. It was like designing, like the way we have machine coding rounds these days. I think Flipkart and every other companies have it. They
Uh-huh.
give you one entire problem statement and you have to provide the solution along with the test cases and everything. So
Correct.
that was my first round. So
Mm-hmm.
that was the entire problem. And since half of the team which I applied for sits in US, so everything happened in night, like around 9 p.m. Every interview happened in the evening. It was not
Mm-hmm.
the daytime round. Yeah, so very helpful people. They actually kind of make you feel comfortable because
Mm-hmm.
I was like bit nervous. They were not even at first. I expected like they were not even Indians. How will I able to gel? Will they able to understand? Will there be
Correct.
any communication gap or something? Will I be able to make them understand? But yeah, they are very pretty comforting people. So it was amazing entire process.
Right. So,
And very
and
quick also. I didn't have to like wait for my round results. They were
mm-hmm.
very quick in reaching out like that, this is the result and we are going forward and this is it, we are scheduling it. So yeah, very pretty straightforward process.
Oh, nice. But I think double nervousness was because Twitter is a company, and then with US interviewers, so it took a lot of while to like cope up with that and sit there for like 1 hour. Kafi sahi. So, and to deep dive on one of the questions, so like if you were to have to rate the questions difficulty, how would you rate on the online coding round and then face-to-face interviews? Like they were lead code medium to hard, very hard. Like how was the difficulty?
No, not very hard. It was lead code medium to hard, I would say. And
Mm-hmm.
it was like upper end for the first online coding question. It was like upper end of the medium level questions. And for interview, they mainly focused how I'm approaching the problem.
Correct.
And they were least interested how I'm like what I'm writing. They were more interested where I'm going with the
Mm-hmm.
solution. Am I going in the right direction or am I all over the place? So वो ज़्यादा
Mm-hmm.
actually basically वही जानना चाहते थे, and they were more interested if my code is scalable,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because if you are sitting in a company like Twitter, जहाँ actually product scale ही हो रहा है because users
Correct.
increase ही हो रहा है and they don't want कि कुछ ऐसा लिख दो उसके बाद आपको रीराइट ही सब करना पड़े which
Rewrite.
is very like time consuming. So I think उनकी अप्रोच वही हो गई थी कि they just wanted to know कि कोड बहुत ज्यादा मॉड्यूलर हो, देन आपकी एल्गोरिथम्स अच्छी हो, बेसिकली आपको
Mm-hmm.
पता हो कि आप क्या अप्लाई कर रहे हो, यू आर नॉट जस्ट स्टक एट वन सोल्यूशन एंड आप उससे मूव ही नहीं कर रहे, यू आर जस्ट फिक्स्ड कि नो आई वांट टू मूव फॉरवर्ड विद दिस सोल्यूशन ओनली. सो
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and talking about the behavior and managerial round, so they mainly discussed my resume, whatever I had written on my resume.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I would say whatever you're writing on your resume, just make sure you know each word of it because there they start like grinding you, like you have worked
Correct.
here, what was your experience, what did you learn, what are your key takeaways, or
Mm-hmm.
how would you like if given a chance, what would you change or what would you pick? So there were like certain questions related to this. So I
Mm-hmm.
think for that you should know what you did, why you did, and why you
Correct.
picked. So these questions you should know. So yeah.
Right. And make sense कि अपना resume आपको आपने खुद लिखा है तो you should know each and everything because that is where they will find the loophole and get a chance to reject you. So be prepared for that. Whatever you write in resume, you are well prepared for that to answer.
Yeah, because a downside is there is a silver lining and downside because itni for now bhi itni vacancies nahi hai because they are not like they have started hiring aggressively but not that much. So there is
Correct.
higher chance if you will mess up a little you won't get chance and then like you will have to wait for another 6 months or like whatever till the time
हाँ
vacancies doesn't come up. So don't miss that opportunity. I would say मुश्किल
राइट
से मिलती है.
मुश्किल से मिलती है grab the opportunity like if you mess it up because there will be a high like freezing down or like freezing on your application for 3 or 6 months and then अगर 3 or 6 months के बाद there should be a vacancy to apply again so don't miss any chance right वो वाला case है correct
uh, yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
An interesting thing that you mentioned, मुझे लगता है audience should know that now companies are more focused on the way you approach a problem and how you design the solution because at the end of the day they know that you are very good at coding तो code तो कर ही लोगे it's more about how you design the
Exactly.
solution हाँ correct so how you can
Exactly,
scale mhm,
because in this scenario, I feel everybody knows that they have to be a good coder, they have to be in development. So everybody is coding, and it's good that they are picking stuff. But it's also important कि आप जो कर रहे हो वो काफी अच्छे structured way में करो. So
correct
when you're presenting it, सामने वाले को feel हो, yeah, they're doing something. It's not just they're doing it for the sake of doing it. They're not doing it
mhm,
कि एक job like that. I know that's the ultimate goal for a college
right
student or for anybody out there, but
mhm,
ऐसे show तो मत करो exactly.
correct
Learning बहुत ज्यादा है तो
हाँ
इसलिए.
करेक्ट आई थिंक राइट लाइक राइट अप्रोच और वो इसलिए देखते हैं बिकॉज थिंग्स आर वर्किंग एट स्केल उन्हें भी अपने सर्वर क्वेरीज बचानी है सर्वर के कॉस्ट बचानी है एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स so they will find good coders everywhere but they need the best out of it जो इतने अच्छे वे में डिजाइन करे सॉल्यूशंस को कि that is scalable and that is for like future as well कि ऐसे एज केसेस सोच रखे हों ऐसे टेस्ट केसेस सोच रखे होंगे जो फ्यूचर के हिसाब से सॉल्वेबल हैं एंड इतनी मुश्किल से अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है एंड दे हैव वेरी गुड कैंडिडेट्स लाइंड अप फॉर द इंटरव्यूज so try to be well prepared for that कि आपका design part भी काफी strong हो as well as your DSL goes. Right. Okay. So moving forward, I want to know like how much time did like whole process took? Like we mentioned, this was a quick process, but जब आपने like when you got the first call from the recruiter, how much time it took for the first online coding round, and then result and the interviews, and then receiving the final offer letter? How much time did it take in each and every step?
Yeah, so there was certain delay because time difference काफी ज्यादा था because she was sitting in Texas. So till this
Mhm.
time she used to mail me that there is one coding round. Are you up for it? And till the time मैं acknowledge करके reply करती थी वो already 24-hour gap हो जाता था
Correct.
because they're mailing me रात में around 3 and I'm checking it tomorrow morning and then I'm seeing कि मैं कब अपना time बता दूं तो वो already थोड़ा delay हो जाता था. So I would say that 1 to 1.5 weeks time actually हर round में हो गया था because
Mhm.
उनका बताना और मुझे revert back करना and then
Mhm.
वो schedule करते थे and then they had to check like is interview available whatever internal
Correct.
things जो भी होती थी. So there was this gap. So entire process took around I think it finished within 1 month. In a 1 month span, I knew, like my recruiter informed me that you have been selected. But then it took another 1 month to roll out the offer letter because they were preparing it. And then India में freshers hiring उस time तो उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं हो रही थी. Now we have started going to campuses, but उस time पे इतना नहीं था. So they were still structuring what would be our compensation. So they were still having discussions around the digits. So that's why they took like around 1 month to roll out the offer. So yeah, I would say 2 to 2.5 months till the time I signed the offer letter and agreed joining them. So yeah.
Okay. A very a good amount of duration, significant amount of duration क्योंकि 2-2.5 महीने वेट करना पड़ रहा for final offer letter. And they are still figuring out कि क्या
Yeah.
compensation होगा, कितने components रखने हैं, क्या component में कितना stocks कितने हैं, joining bonus कितना है and everything. So I have a personal question here. So like, how did you manage to wait for like 2.5 months? What was your mantra for the patience part?
So very I would say वो सबसे difficult time था.
Correct.
इंटरव्यू देना उससे ज्यादा easy
Easy
था
था.
but wait करना ज्यादा difficult था because they told me कि you are selected but we need time to structure your compensation and then there were all sorts of thoughts ऐसा ना हो कि and then there was this COVID situation right
Correct.
and I saw people कि उनके ऑफर आने के बाद चले गए
Revoke
and I
हो
was
गए.
like
हाँ.
exactly.
Damn.
And I was like, oh my God, please roll
ऐसा
out
नहीं
it
होना
quickly.
चाहिए.
I want to sign it now because and I was like, मुझे notice period देना चाहिए, resign करना चाहिए previous company को, और नहीं करना चाहिए.
नहीं
And
करना
I
चाहिए.
was in so much dilemma, and I was like, कि please जल्दी से दे दो. And I just kept my fingers crossed that entire month. And trust me, I was so happy, but still I didn't want to party. I was like, नहीं पहले पूरा हो
पहले
जाने
ऑफर
दो.
लेटर
I
आ
want
जाए.
exactly. I want final offer letter in my hands, and then I'll be sure. Okay, now I am going. And my family was like, अरे कह दिया है ना. And I was like, no,
नहीं,
please.
सिचुएशन अभी उतनी
मुझे
स्ट्रांग नहीं
यकीन नहीं
है.
हो रहा.
कोविड है,
Exactly.
कुछ चीजें बदल
हाँ.
सकती है. राइट, दैट इज सो ट्रू, दैट इज
And
सो
yeah,
रिलेटेबल
exactly.
फॉर मी एज वेल. लाइक कि आप ऐसे स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी की एकदम पीक पे होते हो, एंड यू हैव टू वेट फॉर दैट ऑफर लेटर कि फाइनल नंबर्स आएंगे, फाइनल एवरीथिंग आएगा, देन यू कैन पुट ऑन द रेजिग्नेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड यू आर लाइक कॉन्स्टेंटली वेटिंग एंड चेकिंग द मेल. लाइक आई वाज एट दैट लेवल कि मेरा सारे सोशल मीडिया एप्स एंड सबको कंक्लूड करते हुए व्हाट्सएप के बाद सेकंड नंबर पे जीमेल आ रहा था, नॉट नो एनी अदर एप्स. तो
Exactly. And I was like continuously, I mean, and इतने weird situation हो जाते हैं, you are not even sure कि आप कितनी बार poke कर सकते हो अपने recruiter को, like what is
एग्जैक्टली.
happening, because उन्होंने already बोल दिया है कि it will take time, and there you are sitting, you just have to wait. And problem was I didn't have any internal connections there, so that मैं किसी से पूछ पाऊँ कि internal situation कैसी है, कुछ
करेक्ट.
hiring firing तो नहीं हो रहा है. I didn't had any of that, so it was like just the recruiter and me, and I was like, okay, I have no choice, I have to wait. But it was worse, I would say. Interviews देना is much easier.
करेक्ट.
Result का wait करना very difficult.
वो वेटिंग टाइम बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दैट्स वर्स, एंड a lot of things are hanging on the balance कि अब क्या डिसाइड करना है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या लेना है, should I apply for more company, should I wait, should I resign, should I not. प्रोजेक्ट पे भी मन नहीं लग रहा होता है, काम में मन नहीं लग रहा होता है, एंड लाइक इफ यू हैव मेंशनड इट टू 2 or 3 फ्रेंड्स, क्लोज फ्रेंड्स कि मेरा हो गया है, दिस इज द कंपनी दैट आई एम गोइंग फॉर, यहाँ पे मुझे सिलेक्शन आ गया, दे आर आल्सो आस्किंग ऑफर लेटर आया क्या, ऑफर लेटर आया क्या, एंड वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली
पार्टी
रिफ्रेशिंग.
कब मिल रही है, मैं जब
एग्जैक्टली.
जाऊँ.
तो काफी ज्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन हो जाता है, एंड आई थिंक लाइक देयर इज नो वन वे टू गो अबाउट इट. इट्स जस्ट दैट वेट एंड वेट, मेंटेन योर काम एज मच एज पॉसिबल, फाइंड एनीथिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग एक्टिविटी. मतलब मैं तो उस टाइम पे वैसे मन नहीं करता, पर नेटफ्लिक्स बिंज कर लेता था कि जस्ट टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम दैट. पर किसी चीज में मन नहीं लग रहा होता है, लाइक यू आर एट दैट स्टेज कि आप फ्री भी हो लेकिन आप पार्टी भी नहीं कर सकते हो, एक्साइटेड भी हो लेकिन उसको
So
छुपा के रखना.
yeah, I'll tell you a secret. So I started watching Money Heist then. I know it was hyped बहुत पहले से, but I started it then because I had nothing to do. Or I'm sorry, but मेरा previous company में बिल्कुल मन नहीं लग रहा था. I didn't know कि क्या करूँ. मैं कहा ठीक है, कुछ interesting कुछ भी pick कर लो. And one of my closest friends suggested Money Heist, देख ले, काफी interesting था. And I was like, okay, कुछ भी
कुछ भी
चलेगा.
चलेगा. So that is one truth that I would also recommend. मतलब I didn't, that's the story with my case as well. जब मैं कंपनी स्विच करा था, मैंने भी तभी मनी हाइस्ट पिक करा था. मैंने उससे पहले एक भी सीजन नहीं देखा था. That's the story with me as well. मुझे भी दोस्तों ने बोला मनी हाइस्ट देख, तेरे को अच्छा एक्साइटमेंट रहेगा, तो मतलब वहां से डिस्ट्रैक्ट रहेगा. मैंने कहा ठीक है. एंड दैट्स द रीजन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने अपने रिक्रूटर को ज्यादा पोक नहीं करा. ऑल्दो शी वाज इन इंडिया, एंड मतलब थोड़ा सा यू हैव दैट कि ठीक है इंडियंस है, कैसे करना है बात करने का. फॉर यूएस यू हैव नो क्लू कि कौन सी चीज बियॉन्ड दैट लिमिट हो सकती है. बट स्टिल मुझे ऐसा लगा कि
Exactly.
you have to decide. there is a thin line of difference कि कितनी बार मेल ड्रॉप करना है, टेक्स्ट मैसेज ड्रॉप करना है, कि any updates, if you can do something, if you can expedite the process. मन में बहुत डर रहता है उस टाइम पे, बट ठीक है, मैंने फिर मनी हाइस्ट देखना स्टार्ट करा उस टाइम पे सेम. निकल गया
And
वो एक महीना.
actually this thing also happened. I dropped her a mail and she used to reply like after 2 days, because कभी कभी मैं ऐसे थर्सडे मेल करूंगी तो वैसे 4 दिन बाद आता था, like there's
Oh.
Saturday Sunday and then there's already time difference, and
Mhm.
तब तक तो माइंड इतना चल जाता है and you're like, oh shit, something is wrong. So yeah,
And
no,
and
but I
if you
think
have, हाँ करेक्ट, तो इफ यू हैव नो कनेक्शंस इन ट्विटर तो और ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है, क्योंकि दोस्त ने बोला ऐसे कि मेल ड्रॉप करा क्या, लाइक हाँ मेल ड्रॉप करा, रिप्लाई अभी तो नहीं आया और 4 दिन लग रहे. करेक्ट. फिर उसका
so
फिर बाद में
yeah.
फॉलो अप लेना, मतलब काफी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस. आई नो. ठीक है, बट
Yeah,
सिंस इट्स अ गुड
in
पार्ट.
meantime, I actually applied for few more companies. I started preparing for it, but I would say don't be in so hurry. Like agar, I know it's difficult to keep calm, but hi, if you know something, so don't go here and there and just
Mm-hmm.
keep calm and sit tight. It's just that if
Mm-hmm.
you have one or two offers, you think कि आप इसमें से pick कर सकते हो. Don't stress yourself too much because I think you already have what you wanted and
Correct.
limits तो है नहीं. So just keep pushing yourself, but at the same time, keep calm also.
Right. Makes sense. I think there should always be a plan B or backup plan कि ठीक है, in the worst case if something comes तो हम ऐसा कुछ कर लेंगे because like before COVID there was no preparation that कि आप ऐसा कुछ scenario आ सकता है. First step people have started coming up with backup plans for their savings, backup plan for their insurance and everything. So this is also one thing कि आपके job का भी backup plan हो. In case some weird or worst thing happens, then you are certain that there is another option. There is another option to do so. And like say a side benefit would be it will help you negotiate the offers. It will help you also practice during
Exactly.
that time कि you are well prepared for other interviews as well, other companies as well. So अच्छा है, nice. I definitely recommended that.
Yeah, shortlist few companies where you want to go and
Mhm.
keep like check their career portals and keep approaching people, I would say, because then you have a lot on your plate and आप थोड़े confident भी feel करते हो because you have so many things to go with and आपके पास इतनी सारी choices होती हैं and you're like fine, something will work out for you and in your favor.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, folks, with this, we come to the end of part one of this video. I hope you really enjoyed her life journey, how she was able to crack Twitter, and what are the interview rounds look like, what are the questions asked, how she was able to gain that confidence and patience to counter for this long duration during to generate the offer letter and everything. So, stay tuned till the part of next two, which will be releasing tomorrow. So in this part two, we will be discussing a lot more about Twitter and how the life at Twitter exists and how you can also become a software engineer at Twitter. So subscribe to my channel for and press the bell icon to get a notification every time I put a new video. See you in the next video. And before that, before signing off, please thanking the supporter of this channel, Newton School. So guys, what is Newton School? Newton School एक edtech startup है जहाँ पे you can learn more about different technologies out there. They will help you get job offers from these top tech companies and उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको ₹1 भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. They have very good offerings with this course, live classes, industrial projects, mock interviews and personal mentoring. I will put the link in the description and I suggest you all to check this out and explore their